Join me as I put Mexico to the test and see if it's really safe for tourists by exploring some of the most popular spots. Mexico, a country known for its vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and rich history, has been making headlines lately, but not always for the right reasons. One of the biggest fears travelers have when it comes to Mexico is crime. It's true that some parts of the country have experienced high levels of violence and crime, but it's essential to remember that most of these incidents occur in areas that are not typically visited by tourists. Another misconception is that Mexico is a no-go zone for tourists. This couldn't be further from the truth. Many areas in Mexico are perfectly safe for visitors, and the Mexican government has taken significant steps to ensure tourist safety. Some travelers might be thinking, but what about the travel advisories? And that's a fair point. The U.S. government has issued travel advisories for certain regions in Mexico, warning of potential violence and crime. However, these advisories are in place to help travelers make informed decisions, and many areas in Mexico are not considered high risk. When it comes to safety, it's also important to consider personal experiences from travelers. I've met many people who have visited Mexico and had a fantastic time without any issues. Of course, as with any travel destination, it's crucial to take necessary precautions and stay informed. Areas like Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, and Los Cabos are often considered safe for tourists, with low crime rates and a strong focus on tourism. These areas have invested heavily in safety measures, such as increased police presence and surveillance cameras. In fact, many tourists have reported feeling safer in Mexico than in their own home countries. The warm hospitality and welcoming nature of the Mexican people also contribute to a positive and safe experience. So, what's the surprising truth about safety in Mexico? Tourist areas are generally very safe, with a strong focus on ensuring visitors have a great experience. Less frequented regions, on the other hand, may pose more risks. But with some basic precautions and research, you can have a fantastic time exploring this amazing country. To sum it up, Mexico can be a very safe destination for tourists, as long as you're informed and take necessary precautions. Don't let fear or misconceptions hold you back from experiencing all that Mexico has to offer. If you've had any experiences in Mexico, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more travel safety tips, be sure to check out my other videos for expert advice.